They say Memphis is the best kept secret in real estate. Today I'm showing you why and how you can own a piece of it. I'm Glenn McDonald. For years, I've been helping investors navigate the Memphis metro, protecting them from expensive mistakes and building real legacies. With billions in new development, Memphis isn't just a place to buy, it's a place to grow. This is your masterclass in winning here. We start with the most critical factor, the neighborhood. In Memphis, knowledge of the local streets is your greatest asset. Midtown is the cultural heart. Historic, high demand, and extremely stable. It's the perfect play for long-term appreciation. Then you have areas like Whitehaven and Raleigh, cash flow kings. Here, the entry price is low, but the returns can be massive if managed right. I don't just look at maps, I look at momentum. I'll show you exactly where the city is investing so you can invest alongside it. Step 2, the math. If the numbers don't sing, we don't buy. Simple as that. Memphis consistently outpaces the national average in rental yields. We're going to build a financial model that protects your downside. Whether you're leveraging 20% down or using a DSCR loan, your debt structure is the foundation of your success. And we never gamble with your last dollar. I mandate a 6-month reserve for every property. That's how we stay calm under pressure. Real estate is a team sport. If you're playing alone, you've already lost. You need a Memphis-based dream team. I've spent a decade vetting every lender, realtor, and contractor I work with. You're not just getting my advice, you're getting my network. Your property manager and contractor are your eyes on the ground. We choose them based on performance, not just the lowest bid. I bridge the gap between out-of-state investors and local Memphis reality. I make the difficult situations manageable. Now we get into the weeds. Property analysis is where the real truth comes out. We analyze every expense, from taxes to the CapEx reserves. If it doesn't meet the 1% rule, we keep looking. I look for forced appreciation opportunities. Simple cosmetic fixes that drive rent higher and increase your equity from day one. In Memphis, we chase cash flow. Appreciation is the bonus that builds wealth over time, but cash flow is what keeps you in the game today. Your tenant is your partner in this investment. Choosing the right one is the difference between profit and a headache. I prioritize income stability and rental history. I want to see a track record of consistency that matches the quality of your property. Knowing Tennessee's landlord laws is a competitive advantage. We follow the process to protect you and your asset every step of the way. Ready to go from 1 door to 10? This is how we scale your Memphis portfolio without losing your mind. We diversify across neighborhoods and property types. Leveraging your equity from the first house to fund the next is the engine of growth. Use the 1031 exchange to trade up. It's the ultimate tool for building generational wealth without the immediate tax hit. Let's be real about the pitfalls. These are the mistakes I see first-timers make every single day in the Memphis metro. Mistake 1, trying to be the contractor when you aren't. Hire the pros. Factor it into the budget. Your time is more valuable elsewhere. Mistake 2, managing from 3 states away without a team. If you aren't here, you need a boots-on-the-ground partner you can trust. I'm that partner. I'm here to tell you the truth, even when it's not what you want to hear. That's how we win in the long run. Memphis isn't just about history, it's about the future. The city is evolving, and the opportunity is now. With major tech and medical investments pouring into the metro, your rental property is positioned at the center of an economic engine. We're building more than a portfolio. We're building your family's legacy. 1 door, 1 neighborhood, 1 smart move at a time. Focus on the location. Trust the math. Build your team and scale with intent. Those are the pillars of the Memphis Rental Masterclass. The roadmap is ready. The team is in place. All that's missing is you. Visit memphisglenn.com and let's start building your Memphis legacy today. Buying is just the beginning. To win in Memphis, you have to master the rental life cycle. From marketing to move out, we play for the long term. Marketing starts with professional presentation. We use catchy, high-end photos to make your property stand out in the metro market. First impressions are everything. Tenant retention is the hidden engine of cash flow. A happy tenant stays longer, reducing your turnover costs and keeping your ROI steady month after month. Let's talk about the wealth-building secrets. Real estate isn't just about rent, it's about the massive tax advantages that come with owning property. Depreciation is a powerful tool. It allows you to write off the value of the building over time, shielding your rental income from the IRS. It's a game changer. And the 1031 exchange is how you trade up. You can sell a single-family home and move into a duplex or fourplex without paying capital gains tax immediately. That's how we scale. Final phase, scaling. This is where we move from owning a house to owning a portfolio that sustains your entire lifestyle. Scaling is about systems. Once you have the process down for property number one, we replicate that success across the Memphis Metro until your goals are met. I've built my legacy here, and I'm ready to help you build yours. In Memphis, the truth is your greatest asset. Don't settle for anything less. Neighborhoods, finance, team, math, tenants, scaling. This is the complete Memphis rental blueprint. Stick to the truth and win. The roadmap is ready. The team is in place. Visit memphisglenn.com and let's start building your Memphis legacy today. I'm Glenn McDonald. Real estate is more than just numbers. It's about the people and the neighborhoods. In Memphis, your investment has the power to transform communities. When we restore a historic home or provide high-quality housing in an emerging area, we're contributing to the city's revitalization. That's the soul of the Memphis market. I'm not just an appraiser and investor, I'm a neighbor. My goal is to see every corner of the Memphis tri-state region thrive through smart, ethical investing. You have the blueprint, you have the team, you have the truth. Your Memphis legacy starts now. I'm Glenn McDonald. Let's build something together. memphisglenn.com, your local authority in real estate.